That sudden, annoying hic feeling? We've all had them. But what exactly is a hiccup? And why does your body do that weird little jump? It all starts with your diaphragm, that big muscle under your lungs. Sometimes it gets irritated and spasms, or twitches, suddenly. This makes you suck in air really fast. But then a tiny flap in your throat, called the glottis, snaps shut, making that classic hic sound. So what irritates this diaphragm? Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, getting too excited, or even feeling stressed can trigger it. It's like your body's little internal twitch, often caused by your vagus nerve getting a bit overstimulated. Hiccups are usually harmless, just a quirky reflex. Your body's always full of surprises, right?